So student, now come to next topic, area element. What is area element? See, before coming to area element, area from the junior sections, very beginning we are studying that area is a scalar quantity. ठीक है, एरिया जो है उसका मैग्नीट्यूड होता है बट डायरेक्शन नहीं होता, इट इज स्केलर क्वांटिटी. But in physics, in certain topics, in order to explain certain topics in physics, area has to be considered as vector. तो कुछ टॉपिक्स में एरिया जो है, एरिया उसका मैग्नीट्यूड ही नहीं बल्कि उसका डायरेक्शन भी काफ़ी मायने रखता है. ठीक है, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल लेट अस सपोज दिस इज ए लूप, सर्कुलर लूप. ठीक है, तो इसका एरिया के साथ साथ इसका ओरिएंटेशन भी मायने रखता है इन ऑर्डर टू एक्सप्लेन सम फैक्ट्स इन फिजिक्स. लेट अस टेक एन वेरी सिंपल एग्जांपल. सपोज we are placing this ring in the flow inside the stream of water. Let us suppose water is flowing from this direction. Please pay attention. In this direction water is flowing. Clear? Now if we keep this area, if we keep this ring in a direction perpendicular to the direction of flow of water. See, this is the direction of flow of water and we are keeping the ring, means so plane of the ring is making an angle of 90 degree with the direction of flow of water. So in such a case, if we keep the ring inside the water in such a way that its surface is held normal to the direction of flow of water, then in such a case what will happen? Maximum amount of water will be passing through this surface. ऐसे केस में, ऐसी स्थिति में मैक्सिमम वाटर इससे होकर क्रॉस करेगा. ठीक है, सो देखिए एरिया वही है बट नाउ इफ वी कीप दिस सेम एरिया हॉरिजॉन्टल इन दिस वे, हॉरिजॉन्टल टू द डायरेक्शन ऑफ फ्लो ऑफ वाटर. मान लीजिए डायरेक्शन ऑफ फ्लो ऑफ वाटर इस तरह से और इसको हमने हॉरिजॉन्टल रखे. व्हाट विल हैपन इन सच केस? सी, most of the water will pass through above the surface, below the surface, but from the surface no water will flow through out of the surface. Means we can say if flow of water is considered to be the flux, electric flux, that is electric field lines of forces which is passing through the surface, then in this case when we keep the surface perpendicular to the direction of electric field, maximum field lines will be crossed. But if the same surface is placed in this way, horizontal to the direction of electric field, let us suppose direction of electric field is this one. Clear? This side we have kept a positive charge, this side we have kept a negative charge plate, then direction of electric field is this one. So if we keep it horizontal to the direction of electric field, no electric flux will cross through it. So in some cases we need to consider this surface as a vector in physics. So see, now what is area vector? How can we define area vector? See, area vector which is represented by ds. Suppose this is area. Let us suppose this is a area. See, this is area and its area is S, surface area. Let us suppose its surface area of this cardboard is S. This is the surface area. Clear? Now what is ds then? We will consider a small area at its center, about center. See, small area element we will consider. See, this is a small area element. So if the surface of this whole surface area of this whole surface is S, area of this one will be how much? ds. This is ds. Clear? And the direction of this ds will be always perpendicular on the surface of ds, like this, in this way. See, in this way it is perpendicular, or if we keep this in this way, then it will be direction of ds. The area vector is called ds, so direction of ds will be always perpendicular to this area ds, small area element ds, and pointing outward. Clear? So this is ds. See, a small area of a surface small area of the surface. So let us suppose whole surface area is S. So we are considering the small surface area. This surface area will be ds. Clear? See, enclosing a given volume can be represented by a vector. This can be represented by a vector. For example, a small element of area ds. This one ds, total area was we have considered small area ds, represent ds of surfaces represented by area vector ds. That can be represented by area vector ds. So what is area vector? In simple language we can say, if area S, let us suppose this is area S, then total area of this cardboard is S, then we consider small area element of this cardboard. Let us suppose this area of this one is ds. Clear? Then what will be the area vector? Direction of area vector will be perpendicular on this small area element ds and directed outward. See, in this way it will be directed outward in this way. Clear? So this represent ds. Here we have used n. This n simply represent the normal. It is unit vector and it is along the direction of ds.